Galileo Galilei. Galileo, perhaps more than any other single person, was responsible for the birth of modern science. Stephen Hawking. Who was Galileo Galilei? Born in Pisa, Italy on February 15, 1564, as the first of six children of Vincenzo Galilei, a composer, and Giulia Amanati. He was a physicist, a mathematician, an astronomer, an engineer, and a philosopher. Early childhood. He was educated at the Camaldos Monastery as Vallombrosa. Although Galileo seriously considered the priesthood as a young man, at his father's urging he instead enrolled in 1580 at the University of Pisa for a medical degree. In 1585, after accidentally attending a lecture on geometry, he talked his reluctant father into letting him study mathematics and natural philosophy instead of medicine. In 1592, he moved to the University of Padua, where he taught geometry, mechanics, and astronomy until 1610. His multiple interests included the study of astrology, which at the time was a discipline tied to the studies of mathematics and astronomy. From medicine to physics. In 1581, when he was studying medicine, he noticed a swinging chandelier which air currents shifted about to swing in larger and smaller arcs. To him, it seemed, by comparison with his heartbeat, that the chandelier took the same amount of time to swing back and forth, no matter how far it was swinging. When he returned home, he set up two pendulums of equal length and swung one with a large sweep and the other with a small sweep, and found that they kept time together. It took almost 100 years later that the tautochrone nature of a swinging pendulum was used to create an accurate timepiece. Inventions. Invented and improved a geometric and military compass. Constructed a thermoscope which used the expansion and contraction of gas inside of a glass bulb to move water in an attached tube. In 1624, he perfected the compound microscope and called it as oculineo, which means little eye. Built a 3 times magnification telescope and later built an improved telescope with a magnification of about 30 times, which he used to observe the skies. Later in his life, Galileo made sketches of various inventions which included a candle and mirror combination for reflecting light around a building, an automatic tomato picker, a pocket comb that doubled as an eating utensil, and what appears to be a ballpoint pen. Astronomy. Galileo discovered 4 of Jupiter's 4 largest moons: Io, Europa, Callisto, Ganymede. In September 1610, Galileo observed that Venus, like the Moon, exhibited a full set of phases. This helped to prove that the universe was heliocentric and not geometric, which was previously believed. Galileo was the first to discover lunar mountains and craters. He even estimated the heights of the mountains. He concluded that the moon was rough and uneven and just like the surface of Earth itself. The Milky Way, which was previously thought to be nebulous and found it to be stars that were packed together so densely that they looked like clouds from Earth. Galileo located many stars that were too far from Earth to be visible with the naked eye alone. In 1612, Galileo observed Neptune without realizing it was a planet. He considered it to be just another dim star. Galileo was the first to observe sunspots. Physics. Galileo's work on the motion of bodies combined with Kepler's and René Descartes' work was the foundation of the classical mechanics developed by Sir Isaac Newton. Galileo dropped two balls of the same material but of different masses from the Leaning Tower of Pisa as a demonstration to prove that their time of descent was independent of their mass. Galileo was one of the first people to understand how sound frequency worked. In 1632, Galileo presented a theory which explained the tides based on the motion of the Earth. Galileo Galilei was the first person to attempt to measure the speed of light in the early 1600s. Galileo's Copernicanism. Copernican system in astronomy model of the solar system centered on the sun, with Earth and other planets moving around it, formulated by Nicolaus Copernicus and published in 1543. Galileo's increasingly open Copernicanism began to cause trouble for him. At the time of Galileo, the majority of educated people believed the Aristotelian geocentric view that the Earth is the center of the universe and the orbit of all heavenly bodies. Opposition to heliocentrism and Galileo's writings on it combined religious and scientific objections as it contradicted both the Bible and the Aristotelian geocentric view. Galileo was sentenced to prison for promoting the heliocentric system. His sentence was later reduced to house arrest. Galileo lived under house arrest until his death on 8th January 1642. Even with the church fighting it, by the late 1630s and 40s, most of the astronomers had accepted the heliocentric conception of the universe. According to popular legend, after recanting his theory that the Earth moved around the Sun, Galileo allegedly muttered the rebellious phrase, "Ipa si moves, and yet it moves." Thank you.